How do I know if my underground water pipes are frozen?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to uncover a common but hidden issue: frozen underground water pipes. If you're experiencing a sudden change in water flow during those cold winter months, you could be dealing with frozen pipes. So let's dive in and learn how to identify and confirm this issue.
Why is it essential to know if my pipes are frozen?
Identifying whether or not your underground pipes are frozen is important for several reasons. To prevent pipe damage, frozen water in pipes can lead to pipes bursting due to the expansion of ice. This can lead to significant water damage and costly repairs. To maintain water supply, frozen pipes can reduce or even halt your water supply. To ensure safety, a burst pipe can flood your property, potentially creating a safety risk.
What are the signs of frozen pipes?
Before you start diagnosing, you need to know the key signs that indicate frozen pipes. Here are the most common ones. Unusual cold temperatures. If the weather has been unusually cold, there's a higher chance your pipes may freeze, especially if the temperatures have been below freezing for a number of days. Reduced water flow. One of the most clear signs is a significant reduction in water flow from faucets or showers. No water. In some cases, you might find that no water is coming out at all. Odd noises. Strange noises, like clanking or whistling, coming from your pipes can indicate they've frozen.
How do I confirm that my pipes are frozen?
If you've noticed these signs, you might want to confirm your suspicion. Here are a few steps to do so. 1. Check the weather. If it's been consistently cold, particularly under 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius, this can increase the likelihood of frozen pipes. 2. Inspect visible pipes. Look for visible frost or ice on any pipes that you can see, such as those in your basement or garage. This could indicate that underground pipes may also be frozen. 3. Test water flow in different areas. Turn on faucets in different parts of your house. If all of them have a reduced flow or no water at all, it's likely that the problem is in a main supply pipe, possibly underground. 4. Call a professional. If you're still unsure or if you want to confirm your suspicions, it's best to call a plumber. They have special tools and expertise to accurately diagnose frozen pipes. While it's a tricky problem to detect, knowing the signs of frozen underground water pipes and how to confirm them can save you a lot of trouble and expenses. Remember, prevention is the best cure, so keep your pipes well insulated and take necessary measures during cold weather. If you suspect frozen pipes, do not hesitate to call in a professional. They can accurately diagnose the problem and provide appropriate solutions to get your water flowing again. Thanks for watching, and stay warm out there.